In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Discord server and voice channel region. If your voice chats feel laggy, switching the voice region closer to your group can reduce delay and improve audio quality. Discord now manages the overall server region automatically, so the practical way to control it is per voice channel with a region override. Here's how to do it clearly and safely. Start by opening Discord on your desktop app or web browser and sign in. Make sure you're using an account with permission to manage channels on the server you want to adjust. Without those permissions, the option to edit channels won't appear. Next, select the server from the left sidebar. This opens your server's channel list. Identify the voice channel you want to optimize. If you routinely use several voice channels, you'll repeat this process for each one you want to control. Hover over the voice channel name, then open the channel settings. On desktop, you can right-click the channel and choose Edit Channel, or click the small gear icon that appears beside the channel name. This takes you to the channel overview where all the key options live. Look for Region Override. By default, Discord chooses Automatic, which picks the closest, least congested data center. Toggle Region Override to On, then select a specific region from the drop-down, such as one nearest to most of your participants. Choosing the region closest to the majority usually gives the lowest latency. If your group is split across continents, try a midpoint and test. After choosing, confirm or save your changes before closing the settings window. A couple of quick tips to verify results. Rejoin the voice channel and watch the connection indicator. Lower ping numbers and stable green bars mean it's working well. If someone's still lagging, try a different nearby region or switch back to automatic during busy hours. Keep in mind that ongoing outages can affect certain data centers, so changing regions can be a useful temporary workaround. Finally, remember that this change affects only the selected voice channel. If you want the entire server experience to feel consistent, apply the same region override to your other commonly used voice channels. And if you ever need to revert, just return to the channel settings and set region override back to automatic. That's it. You've adjusted the voice channel region to improve call quality with just a couple of clicks.